Assalamu alaikum friends, this is Rashid, and in this tutorial I will tell you that how you can use the function of the feature of drop cap. Firstly, you just need to this is a paragraph, right? You just need to insert in that paragraph, and then you have to come in insert, and from here this will be when you will click on it, or just take your cursor on that option, then the first word of the paragraph will be big, and it will be inside the margin, not outside the margin, right? So that is in the within the paragraph. And if I want to show that V in the margin mean that place which is not, here you can't write. So if I will go on with my cursor on in margin, so you can see V is in margin, and from here you can if I click on it, drop, from here you can this is dropped and this is in margin, and from here you can change the language, and from here size, line to drop, distance from the text, so you can customize it. It will be it will be big. So this is the way. So this is the way by which you can use the drop cap, and this is all for this tutorial. So see you in next one. Thank you.